But it's this kind of frozen place with strange eruptions from the surface that kind of rise up into space but then go flat.
The James Webb Space Telescope has just captured something no one expected, a colossal structure hidden on the far side of the moon. And this isn't a blurry image or a glitch in the data. It's real, it's verified, and it's changing everything. Let's dive into what Webb saw, the evidence from decades of past missions, and the mind-bending theories that could explain what or who left it there. Section 1. The Discovery. During a routine calibration run, the James Webb Space Telescope trained its mid-infrared instruments on the moon, using the lunar surface as a stable thermal reference. But instead of just clean data and baseline heat maps, Webb sent back something bizarre. Behind the moon, on its far side, the hemisphere that never faces Earth, an anomalous heat signature was detected. At first, it looked like a strange thermal bloom, but further imaging revealed a massive geometric structure, 4 to 6 kilometers across, with sharp angles and straight lines. Not a mountain, not a crater, something constructed. NASA engineers were baffled. Then European Space Agency analysts confirmed the data. An anonymous source from the European Southern Observatory stated, "We checked and rechecked. It's not a shadow, it's not an artifact. There's a physical structure there." Section 2. What we know so far. Dr. Elena Martinez at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center used parallax from multiple Webb observations to estimate its size. The object's reflectance profile, how it radiates and retains heat, suggests it's composed of materials with unusually high thermal inertia, possibly metals, possibly exotic minerals unknown to lunar geology. Even more compelling, this isn't the first time something strange has been recorded in this exact location. Archived radar data from the Clementine mission, heat anomalies from China's Chang'e 5, and declassified footage from the Soviet Luna 19 probe in 1974 all point to something massive lurking in this region for decades. But Webb's advanced infrared resolution, down to 0.2 arc-seconds, finally pulled the veil back. Section 3. The Theories. Now the world's top minds, and some fringe thinkers, are trying to explain what this could be. 4 major theories are emerging. Theory 1. An ancient alien megastructure, straight edges, symmetry, a central hub. The shape seen in the thermal data doesn't resemble any natural geological formation on the moon. Some believe it's artificial, possibly a base, a relay station, or even a monument left by an extraterrestrial civilization long ago. Arthur C. Clarke once proposed the idea of alien sentinels hidden on the moon, quietly observing us. Could this be more than science fiction? Theory 2. Ultra-dense mineral deposit. Some geologists argue the region may house a concentration of titanium-rich regolith, or rare earth metals, elements already known to exist in unusual abundance on the lunar far side. Perhaps what Webb saw was a collapsed lava tube revealing a dense core of exotic ore. But here's the problem. Metallic ores reflect infrared light. They don't typically emit such strong, localized heat unless something is actively heating them. Which brings us to the stranger theories. Theory 3. Hidden human technology. Could this be ours? In the 1950s, the US Army proposed Project Horizon, a plan to build a manned military base on the moon. Though officially canceled, declassified documents show detailed blueprints, supply chains, and psychological profiles for astronauts. Could a Cold War-era operation have secretly gone ahead, on the moon's far side, where Earth's prying eyes could never see? Skeptics argue that no known 20th century tech could have built something this massive, but proponents counter with whispers of experimental propulsion, black-budget missions, and recovered advanced technology. If true, the structure Webb image might be the crumbling remains of humanity's most secret construction. Theory 4. Dimensional overlap. Now we get metaphysical. In string theory, our universe could be a 3-dimensional brain floating in a higher dimensional space. When 2 brains intersect, energy can leak between them, creating anomalies in our reality. Dr. Joe believes the Webb structure may not be physical at all. but a projection from another dimension, appearing to us as a regular geometric heat signature, a kind of cosmic watermark. If true, we're not just seeing an object, we're witnessing a breach in reality. Section 4. Echoes from the past. This isn't the first time strange data has come from the moon. Luna 19, 1974. A brief shadow anomaly was logged but dismissed as a glitch. Japan's Selene mission detected unusual radio echoes from the same coordinates, later reanalyzed and found to match a hollow structure. Chang'e 5, 2023. A spike in thermal data in this exact region, but the Chinese government restricted access. Webb is not the first to observe this anomaly. It's just the first to see it clearly. Section 5. The pattern. Just when you think it couldn't get stranger, Webb's raw data revealed something far more mind-blowing. Using advanced neural networks trained on 10 million astronomical images, a team at the Space Telescope Science Institute ran a pattern analysis on the structure. What they found? A Fibonacci spiral etched into the surface, precisely formed with arms that expand in perfect phi ratios. Section 6. A message hidden in stone. Patel's team believes this could be a deliberate message, a mathematical time capsule left to be discovered when our technology finally caught up. Early attempts to decode the structure hint at fractal motifs nested within larger forms, suggesting recursion, an idea at the heart of computation and biology. Is it a greeting, a warning, a test? Whatever it is, it wasn't meant to erode or fade. It was meant to last. And now, we've seen it. Section 7. What comes next? We stand at a crossroads. For centuries, we thought we knew the moon. We mapped every crater, charted every ridge, and yet, this structure remained hidden. Now we must ask, who built it? Why hide it on the far side of the moon? And what does it mean for humanity? The implications are staggering. So, what should we do next? Open access. Webb's raw data must be released globally. No one nation or agency can own this mystery. Global collaboration. Scientists, cryptographers, geologists, ethicists, we need everyone working together. Targeted exploration. The next lander or rover should head straight for the coordinates of this structure, equipped with high-res cameras, radar, and drilling platforms. Section 8. Final thoughts. This isn't just about the moon anymore. It's about our place in the universe, about how much we don't know, about the possibility that we are not alone, not just in space, but in understanding. If this is a message, it means someone, or something, wanted us to find it. And now that we have, the question becomes, are we ready to listen? If this discovery changed how you see the moon, or reality itself, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We explore mind-bending breakthroughs like this every week.